my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm in a different setting because I'm in Vijaya. And so today we'll be going to
Guraya.
Oh, Guraya. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I just saw that the trip should be it. So am I allowed to just take you? So let's go.
Re tsamaya ka lelapa. Eya. Ka nnete re tsamaya ka lelapa.
Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Bolo ka ha ke boletse.
Lenaneo.
Ke a la amohela lenaneong la ka la.
Yeah, Ribul.
When the fun is not in your bus.
What we can do?
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Oh, hi, girl.
How are you doing? You're fine.
I'm live.
She's live. She's live.
Oh.
Hi, guys. How are you? I'm Vijaya.
What? We? Shout out to everyone. Your family.
Yeah, shout out everyone, my family, your viewers. Hope you keep watching.
Yeah. Bye.
Nice hair.
Amen. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Ha.
Hey guys, this is Brady. Yeah. You know, sir. It is what it is.
You know, sir.
So yeah.
Grabe. Eh, o ka mpetsa ka motho ina le thekene.
No, like, give it over.
I want to learn. Oh, I want to go learn. C'est la danse des garçons, c'est là.
So guys, in the comment section, tell me, do you enjoy hiking or you don't enjoy hiking? Hiking is your thing or it's not your thing? Because for me, hiking is my thing. Like, I would take hiking easy. Though I know I'm gonna get tired, but the benefits. And it's just refreshing. And especially here because there's a breeze and merci. So, guys, I really just, for me, this is therapy. Because World Leader can be depressing. Maramon at least.
Top of the world. So, welcome to the Gyre. On top of whatever. This mountain.
Guraya Mountain.
Come in. Where we come from.
And now this is where we are.
This is a poem entitled COVID. COVID ke lefu ramafu la bolaya ha le kgethe nku ka pere. COVID. COVID.